LFDT provides structure to the open source community. You have all these projects, you have all these initiatives. You never know which one to really go with or get behind, spend all those resources to kind of explore. And so LFDT is almost like a certification on, the whole distributed ledger, everything that they're doing, and provides that clarity to be able to contribute, put your resources towards it, as well as reaching out to people and contribute in whatever way. So providing resources, contributing back, and you see kind of like your efforts shown almost, not instantly, but like shown pretty quickly throughout the entire ecosystem. So it's just great. At Oracle, we're always trying to find like what's the next new thing. The people here are just great. They're like some of the biggest voices in the space. And so you get to talk to them firsthand, see like, what was really the idea behind this? That just shed some light into like, okay, maybe we didn't think about that, or, we had to rethink that aspect. So it's a great conference overall. Being able to share those ideas, collaborate, and especially in terms of the business aspect. Sometimes like, you're using something in a very siloed manner and then find out just through conversation that, okay, well, this has a much wider use case than we thought. There's so much more potential for this. Why don't we explore it? So it's great for Oracle. I think it's great for everyone else.